Dad? Probably.
Ayun o. Ayan na, malapit na siya. Malapit na siya. Malapit na siya. Oh, walang tunog. Dapat may tunog. Dapat may tunog. Oh, wag kang hawak sa keyboard. Sa keyboard. Sa keyboard ang hawak. Yan. Sige, okay. May tunog. Ayan. Ayan. Go. Go. Kick your leg. Kick your leg. Kick your leg. Very good. Very good. See, pagka sumusunod. Very good. Very nice. Very good.
Ay! Throw the ball.
Be faster.
Let's go.
Be faster. Be faster. Very good. Some more. Almost. Titigil lang yung nandun na. Three. Ano na naman number ko? Next kayo po isa. Sige mo ulit. Dito. Boy, keyboard. Go. Lapit. Down. Go, bubble. Kick. Up. Go. Face down. Go. Kick. Down ulit. Blow bubbles. You need to blow bubbles. Okay, blow bubbles. Take some bubbles. Go. Yeah. Again, one more. Down. Look down. Again. Look down. Again. Go. Down na, Dilay. Stop. Pagod na ikaw. Okay. Muna ikaw, mga 5 araw din. Quacky. Ito lang, ha? Ito lang. Okay lang yan, okay lang yan. Tapos, girl. Tapos. Yan. Bakit? Wala.
What?
Very good.
Oy, layo.
Hoy, layo kayo.
Wait.
Okay. One more. Ready? Kick. Face down left. Up una. Kick. And face down. Other arm. Very good. Bigger. Down. Okay. And down. Hindi ka na nakadya. Bigyan mo. Huwag mong gagalawin yung... Oh. Bigger. One more. Face down. Very good. Use your left. Bigger ang left. One more. Again. Ang left, hindi gumagalaw. Go. Face down. Go. Face down. Puro kanan lang. Other arm. Go. Face down.
Walang hangin na.
Ito. Ay, babon.
Mataas, oh. Binababahan.
Face down. Go. Tuloy. Face down. Circle. And one more. Face down. Bigger circle. Yan. Oh, one more. Bigger circle, ha. Face down. Go. One more. Ayan. One more. Good. Very good. One more. Face down. Okay. Yan na.
Ayos mo. Sige.
Go. Okay. Ako po na kayo dyan. Ako po na kayo. Ayan, ano? Ayan, o. Down. Direct, go. Again, one more. Exam. Bigger to ha, bigger. Push. Push the wall, go. Yan na. Go. Very good. Huwag matatakot. Okay na dyan. Nice. Perfect. Higit lang ha. Go. Tuloy. Wag ibigay. Very good. Tuloy ang kick. Very good. Go. Target. Mag-kick tayo ha. Mag-kickball. Isa yung dalawa. Yan. O, saan ka pupunta yan? Ako. Good, direct yung kick. Up. Lili, saan ka na naman pupunta? Doon. Long. Walang hangin. Open ang mouth. No. Open ang mouth. Face down. Blow. Ayan. One more. Ulit. Close your mouth. Yan na. Pag magbublo ko, close ang mouth. What? Yes, bra. Anong Tagalog ang bra? Pala ka.
Patala kay alit natin na yun.
Ayan! Nasa pala. Oh, practice ka.
Get down. Donna. Tingnan mo siya. Magaling din siya. Si Rhea na lang tayo. Naririnig pala yun.
Ito, mataba, kaya yata hindi makagaya. Ang galing, Diana. Galing ni Diana. Halulun yata ng tubig, malalim. Hindi ko napansin. Nakalulo ng tubig. Malalim sa part na yan.
Aliyah! Benyet, pastel! Nakabandaw na eh. Inig.
Maalam na siya ng bakit.
Ako ya, Amir. Gagay.